Modding a CryEngine game and bumped into a CM1 file? This is a 3D model file from the CryEngine game development platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these CryEngine model files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for CM1 problems. See below for my top choice. CM1. Files are 3D model files used by CryEngine, the game engine developed by Crytek. They contain 3D mesh data, textures, animations, and material references for game assets, including characters, environments, props, and visual effects used in CryEngine-powered games and game development workflows. CM1. Files use a proprietary binary format specific to CryEngine, storing optimized 3D model data with mesh geometry, vertex attributes, texture coordinates, animation skeletons, and material assignments. The format is optimized for runtime loading by the CryEngine renderer with efficient memory layout and streaming support. The specialized program designed to handle CM1 is CryEngine Sandbox by Crytek. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows won't show parametric history or layers, so full comprehension requires engineering tools. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your CM1 file and click Open With. If CryEngine Sandbox is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software link. If the CM1 file won't budge, stay calm. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the CM1 problem. First, opening in CryEngine. Sandbox. Install CryEngine, SDK, or development environment, and import CM1 files through the asset browser. The Sandbox editor displays the 3D model with materials, animations, and physics properties. This is the primary application supporting full CM1 functionality for game development and asset modification workflows. Next, using modding tools. Try community-developed CryEngine modding tools available on game-specific modding sites and forums. These utilities can extract or convert CM1 files for use in modding projects. Check resources for games like Crysis Far Cry or Star Citizen, which use CryEngine for game development. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use 3D conversion utilities like Noasis or Blender with CryEngine plugins to convert CM1 files to standard formats like FBX, OBJ, or DAE. These open formats work with all major 3D applications including Maya 3ds, Max, and Blender, enabling cross-platform 3D model usage. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.